Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress website. Google Analytics is the best tool to track the complete website traffic. If you are running the WordPress website, then you can easy to set up the Google Analytics on WordPress website. Let's learn how you can set up this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, first you have to go to google.com, then you have to search the Google Analytics. Then you have to click on the marketingplatform.google.com. Here you have to click on the Get Started Today button. Then you have to log in with your Gmail account. After login, you have to click on the Start Measuring button. Here the account details, you have to enter your account name. So here I have to enter tech Pistha. Then I have to enable the terms and conditions. Then click on the next button. The property name is required. Here also we have to enter the tech Pistha. If you would like to change the reporting time zone, you can change from here. I'll leave it as it is United States. The currency also you can change from here. So then you have to click on the next button. So here you have to describe your business. So I have to select the small business. You have to select the industry category. So I'm select for news. Then you have to click on the next. Then you have to select the option what you would like to create the purpose of the Google Analytics. I would like to select the generate leads and raise the brand awareness and examine user behavior. So I have to select this, then click on the create button. Here you have to select the terms and condition. Then I have to scroll it. Here also I have to select the terms and condition. Then I have to click on the I accept button. So here you have to choose the platform what you would like to get the traffic by using Google Analytics. I am using for the website. So I have to select web. Here we have to enter the website address. Website name is Tech Pistha. So then we have to click on the create stream. Now the measurement ID has been generated. So here you have to copy the measurement ID. Then you have to go to your WordPress dashboard. Then you have to click on the installed plugin. Here I have already installed the GA Google Analytics plugin. If you not installed, you can click on the add new plugin. Then you have to search the GA Google Analytics. It will be filtered the Google Analytics plugin. Here you have to install this plugin. I have already installed, so I go back to the installed plugin page. Then I have to click on the settings. Then I have to click on the plugin settings. So here I have to insert the tracking ID. I have to click on the save changes. So again you have to go back to the Google Analytics page. You have to close this window. Then you have to click on the next. So here the data collection is pending, so you have to click on the continue to home button. The email communication option has been shows the pop-up. If you would like to enable this option, you can enable this. Then I have to click on the save. Here they have provided some tips for the Google Analytics how to use. It will be shows the data after 48 hours collected the traffic data from your WordPress website. So in this way you can set up the Google Analytics on WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.